Dearest clients, my name is Anna Topuhisa and I'm Regional Sales Manager at Spintec. At Spintec, we're very excited to exhibit at Ukrainian Gaming Week and we'd like to warmly invite you to meet us at our booth. We will present our ultimate electronic table games and industry-leading innovations which are well known for the cutting-edge design and technical perfection, resulting in prolonged gaming sessions. You will have the opportunity to see a large company's product portfolio, including Karma line with automated roulettes and Aura product lines, which is ideal for amphitheater setups, combining live, automated and virtual games in one seamless and enjoyable multi-game experience. Moreover, our amphitheater gaming solution is completely customizable, which means that operator has virtually limitless options to choose different setups and colors. You can choose from a variety of games, such as roulette, sigbo, craps, baccarat, blackjack, or opt for a multi-game with every possible combination of games. Join us at our booth and discover Spintec's unique gaming solutions that meet even the most demanding operators' requests. See you in Kiev!